are there actual malfunctions in a product that they can't last forever? I mean, I think a lot of the industries now are thinking about product life cycles of like, let's say 5 to 10 years so that they can resell it. You know, just like, our iPhones. I mean, they're not made so that they can keep upgrading the OS. So they make sure that you have to rebuy them after 2 years. I mean, I think that's already a flaw. Well, for the business model itself, if you want to make money, that's great. But for the product itself, it's such a waste because you can't use it, even though it's a perfect machine. And if you think about our regular daily things like refrigerators, I mean, there are things that can last so much longer. In the past, there were like fans or microwaves or what have you that actually can last much longer than the products that we have now. So I think that manufacturing industry decided, oh, I want to make more money, so I'm just going to dumb the product down so that they don't last longer. But if we can actually repair parts ourselves to make it last longer, rather than having to buy the whole thing all over again and make those products useless, I think that's a really great way so that we can stop consuming so much and keep our materials to last longer.
From a customer experience perspective, I can see in the future where you mentioned refrigerator, or it can be a dishwasher, or whatever the case may be, right? Imagine a company that really cares about their brand and their loyalty and their stuff lasting for a long time. I can see them not only selling the product, but they can sell almost like a subscription. And they can say, listen, if you have this 3D printer, here's our catalog, and you can literally, as a part of buying that plus the subscription, you can download whatever design part, print it in your house, and then replace those parts right there in your house so that machine can continue working. It's a pretty abstract thought right now, because we're like, okay, we have the manufacturer, the company that created this stuff is what has to have all the inventory of all the parts. But imagine if all the parts were virtual as a part of a marketplace. So when you buy X thing from X company, they can say, as long as you have a subscription to our marketplace, come and download, and here's all the parts that you can actually replace yourself as a part of our support package. I think these kinds of things are going to be coming out in the future, and it's going to change the way we think about customer service and support to some degree. It's just a matter of time.